Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad exponential equation problem. So here we have 5 to the power of k minus 4 to the power of k is equals to 9, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here our k should must be belongs to an integer. It means that we solve this problem for integer values of k. So now here first you see that this is exponential equation, and now here first we just divide both of the sides by 4 to the power of k. Okay, so when we divide by 4 to the power of k, it will be written as 5 to the power of k divided by 4 to the power of k minus this will becomes 4 to the power of k divided by 4 to the power of k equals to 9 divided by 4 to the power of k. And now here further in the next step we need more simplifications, and here first we use the nice exponential rule. So we know about that. If we have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equals to if we have these are the two different bases, then we use this rule. Okay, if you have a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m, so we write it as a divided by b and its whole power is m. And you see here this 4 to the power of k and this 4 to the power of k are cancelled out by each other, and we get here the remaining values are. Here we need to combine the exponent of these terms, and it will becomes 5 divided by 4 and its whole power is k minus 1 is equals to 9 divided by 4 to the power of k. So here first you see that if we see on this value 5 over 4 to the power of k, then you see here, but in order to move forward, first I can explain a nice rule which we can use here to solve this problem. So according to this rule, if we have a number that is a to the power of m, then we have there are two cases from this number. So if you see here the base of this term, so if our base a is greater than 1, then we just say that our number a to the power of m, or our exponential function a to the power of m is increasing function. Okay, and further you see here, if again we see the base of this term, and you see here if our a is less than 1, and then we say that a to the power of m is a decreasing function. Okay, so this is a very nice rule which we can help to solve the problem. So here according to this rule, now first we see that first we decide is our base is less than 1 or greater than 1. Okay, so for this you see here this is 5 divided by 4, and here we clearly see that our 5 is always greater than 4. If 5 is greater than 4 and we divide both of the sides by 4, it will be written as 5 over 4 is greater than 1. So this means that the base of this term is greater than 1, and so it means that the whole function is increasing function according to this rule. Okay, so here this implies that 5 over 4 to the power of k is greater than 1. So if this value is greater than 1, then we can just say that 5 over 4 to the power of k is increasing function. Okay, in the same pattern we need to simplify the other value. And further you see here, if we subtract 1 from an increasing function, it will remains increasing function. It means that our left hand side will becomes increasing function. Similarly, in the right hand side, you see here our exponential function is lies in the denominator side. So here we just clearly see that when we divide any number into increasing function, because here you see that 4 to the power of k itself increasing function, but 9 over 4 to the power of k becomes decreasing. Okay, you see here 4 to the power of k is increasing function, but when we divide 4 to the power of k to 9, and it will be written as 9 over 4 to the power of k, So this function is decreasing function. Okay. Here you see into this equation is that left hand side becomes increasing function and our right hand side will becomes decreasing function. And you know about that the graph of increasing and decreasing function. So our increasing function should be looks like in this form, and in decreasing function is looks like in this form. And you see here both increasing and decreasing function are always intersect at only one point. So this point is called the solution of this equation. So this point be the solution set of this problem, and now here we need to find that point. So in order to find this point, here we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is 5 to the power of k minus 4 to the power of k equals to 9. And here we find the value of k by inspection, which is satisfied this equation. So first you see here, if we choose k equals to 0, then it will becomes 5 to the power of 0 minus 4 to the power of 0 is equals to 9, and this will becomes 0 equals to 9. So this is not possible. It means that k equals to 0 is not satisfied, and we choose k equals to 1, and when you put this here, it will becomes 5 minus 4 equals to 9, and this will becomes here 1 equals to 9. This is also not possible, and when we choose k equals to 2, it will becomes 5 square minus 4 square equals to 9, and this will becomes 25 minus 16 equals to 9, and we easily get 9 equals to 9. So this is satisfied our given question. So k equals to 2 be that point of intersection of increasing and decreasing function. It means that this point be the point of k is equals to 2, and this is the only one solution of the given equation. Okay, so this is the solution set of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.